Okay, travelers, something a little different this time. Found a nice multi-tool here. A-class. It's a white and gold. Got two together here. Make sure you got space for a multi-tool, or you got one you can trade when you do this. All I can see right now. I think we ought to take it to the station and see if we can upgrade it. First, let's get the location and stuff. Don't let me forget that. There's the glyphs on the lower left. Eissentam Galaxy. Location minus 5.24 minus 105.62. Yeah, pretty nice multi-tool. Let's go see if we can upgrade it. See where the rest of the slots end up. Don't do multi-tools that often. Got a couple other videos on them, but occasionally I run across them. If you're looking for multi-tools, you want to look in the Korvac systems. 3-star systems are the best. Sometimes they have good ones here too. Yeah, here's an A-class. That one's not so good. Let's see if we can get this upgraded and see what we got. There's that other one there. See if we can upgrade it. Two together and two together. Not bad. Pretty nice little tool. What do you think, guys? Nice one, huh?